Proofreading module has a simple but invaluable function to verify the accuracy of your reports on the basis of three categories: spelling and grammar, consistency, and missing information. On this sample report, we have one error of each category. Let's run the proofreading module and see what errors we catch. The first error category, spelling/grammar, is simple to understand and will catch any stray mistakes within your report during your review. In this example, I can see where the error is by hovering over the error box. It turns out we have a grade too many A's in the word multiplanar. The second error category, consistency, is a macro verification of overall report coherence. In this case, as I can see when hovering over the error box, we have a laterality mismatch between the technique and the conclusion section. Our final error category, missing information, is built to work around our automatic insertion module to catch parts of the templates which might not have been updated by our models and flag them to you. When you fix your mistakes, you may refresh the proofreading and be assured that our module did not find any other error before confirming and finalizing your report. Our proofreading module is a failsafe and a true review companion for producing higher quality reports.